today's core question is, how much time does it take to learn hip-hop dance if we are just beginners? For example, we don't know a single step. I think that answer is purely relative because there's a certain level of talent and rhythm that people all have. No matter if you've ever danced or not. Also, it depends on what type of hip hop dance you're trying to learn. Are you trying to learn how to break? Trying to learn how to pop? Are you trying to learn how to do lock? Or are you trying to do urban choreography? So it depends on what you're trying to learn. And then from there, once you figure that out, it depends on how intense and consistent you're going to be. Meaning, like, if you learn, once a week, if you go to class once a week for 1 hour, then it'll probably take maybe a year, maybe. Now, if you have the intensity of one class every single day, or maybe one class for an hour for 6 out of the 7 days of the week, you probably will get better. Because one of these recent videos that I watched was from Bold, formerly BuzzFeed Yellow. Girl went from super awkward to dancing comfortable in front of an audience. Sexy. It's too sexy. So it always comes back to consistency and consistency and intensity. Because if you are just doing the moves and walking through it like kind of going through the motions, you're not going to get better. You have to have, for each session, each consistent session you have to have the intensity and the intent to get better. Because if you're just moseying around, and you're not going to get better, and that's not the hip-hop teacher's fault. It'll ultimately be your fault. So, but yeah, I hope that answers the question. I can't give a one size fits all kind of answer because everyone's different. What matters is that you just start.